Hi guys, today I will be introducing the heat gun from Makita HG5030K. The watt for this machine is 1600 and the air temperature for these two settings, for the setting 1 is 350 Celsius and the setting 2 is 500 Celsius. The weight for this machine is 0.57 kg and the power supply cord is 2 meters. The set comes with 4 different types of nozzle. Please notice that after using the machine, please put down softly because the heating element might break.